Hello everybody, welcome to this video that is going to show you all about how to keep yourself organized in ActiveCampaign by using folders and also by using the blocks that are available to you. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, leave us a comment if you've got any questions or if you found this video good, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so that you're going to get notified whenever we've got new content coming out that is going to help you and your business. So first off, all I'm in now is the campaign screen of ActiveCampaign, such as I'm just going to be sending out an email. You can do it inside the automation screen, wherever it is, as long as it's the designer for actually creating an email. So first, one of the things that annoys me the most is when you are putting an image in. So like if we drag the image box in and we was going to put an image in, things can get quickly disorganized. As you can see here, got quite a few images already going off, and things are going to be getting, as you build up your ActiveCampaign, they're going to get even more busier and busier, and it's going to be harder to find what you need. So what you want to do is use this over here, folders. If you can see here, the Laura folder, we started putting in images of myself, and in the testimonials folder we started organizing it and putting testimonials in there, and then that is much easier. So all you have to do with that is click create folder, type in the folder name. But no matter what you do for the capitalization, it won't work. Such as like if I put till Laura, I'm just going to put a 2 there because I've already got a folder, it's going to actually make it lowercase. So don't worry about the capitals, it's just something inside ActiveCampaign. Also, you've got to use, and you know like your spaces, you've got to use them, but they will put the underscores in. But if you try to use a symbol like this, it won't work. It'll literally just not create the folder. So you can do your spaces and stuff, but they will put these in. It's just normal. But 100% start doing that, and it is much more easier then. It's much more organized to actually see what is happening, so you can basically get it a lot easier. So obviously you've got the edit image bit where you can obviously edit images as well. Not do all these different things to it, but I'm not going to be going through that on this. Right then, so the next thing is, say that you've created something such as a header and you're happy with it. What you would sometimes have to do when you create a new email is have to reduplicate, putting an image in, etc. So what you can do is you can save it as a block. So I've already done this. So if this wasn't here, so I just get rid of it. Then on here you can see, so where you've got blocks, so you've got your normal text blocks, your buttons and things like that. I've also got this saved area here. And what you can do is you can drag on things that you've saved. So like there is the header that I've already saved. If I wanted to add a button in, I've already got a button saved, and drag a button in there. So all you have to do for that is hover over the cog and you press save to content library and you just give it a name. So I've even done it with my text blocks. So there's things in text blocks in there, look at standard text element, and the reason for that was that if you've changed your font and you've changed your size, you have to keep doing it again and again after email. So it's just easier if you actually save it as a content block. We've got different things that I've saved, as you can see. I've saved our logo there, 2 different buttons. We've got a connect with me header, got us quick links in here, everything that we need, even the unsubscribe bit, social icons, everything is saved in there. So hopefully that helps you, some quick tips for you. And make sure again that you do hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. We've got more content coming out for you this year, and hopefully you've learned something new. So take care everybody.